Hi! Using this video is not meant to replace the work of a therapist. This is meant to just give some extra support during the time of COVID closures. Thanks for using this video. What we're going to be doing today is using the environment around you to make a secure space. Sometimes it's at work, sometimes it's at home, but what we can do is we can use what's working for you and build on that. So what you're going to need is a writing utensil and some paper. And we're going to think about on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 is feeling totally insecure, up to 10, which is totally secure. You're going to write down your number. I'm going to use the example of starting with an 8. So feeling some sense of security, but not totally. And so if you're at a 1 or 2, we're still going to build up on what's helping you in this moment. And so what you're going to do is you're going to look around your environment and find the things that are helping you feel secure, calm, peaceful, happy, whatever that is. I'm just going to be using 3 examples, but you can write down as many things as you need to. So for my examples, one of the things I'm going to use is the natural light. So I'm going to write down natural light. Another thing that I have is a diffuser with lemongrass scent over here off camera. So I'm going to write down lemongrass for the scent. And then finally, my chair is comfy. So then those are the things written down, my 3 objects here. Again, you can write down as many as you need to, as many positive things as you possibly can in your environment. And we're going to write down our emotional reactions to those objects. Only with the positive things. If it's bringing up negative emotions for you, you need to take it off of your list. So you can have more than one emotion in reaction to something. We're focusing again on those positive emotions. But for this example, I'll only use 1 emotion for each object. So for the natural light, I'm going to write down happy. And then for the scent of lemongrass, my reaction is calm. And for the chair, comfort. So I have those written down. And what we're going to do is we're going to tap in to each of those emotions. So tapping in can be putting your hands on your biceps here and tapping one side and the other side, or crossing your wrists and your thumbs and using a butterfly tap, putting your thumbs here on the clavicle and tapping one side and the other side at your clavicle. I'm going to use the butterfly tap since that's easier to show on video. So we'll start off with the first emotion, which is the reaction to the natural light, is happy. So going very slow, happy, happy, happy. And breath. And just notice your body and mind's reactions to tapping that in. It's okay if it didn't work the first time. I would encourage you to keep trying. The next one that we're going to tap in is calm. That's my reaction to the lemongrass. Calm, calm, calm. Breath. Good job. And then you're going to tap in your emotions for your next object. Mine was the chair, and comfort was my reaction. So we're going to tap that in. Comfort. 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 Breath. Good job. Now we're going to do our scale again, from 1 to 10, remembering that 1 was totally insecure, and 10 was totally secure. So my reaction is that I'm at a 10, feeling secure. If you're not at a 10, just tap those things in again. Go through your list of emotions and tap them in again, remembering to do slow, short sets of tapping. Because if we tap fast, or if we tap for a long time, we can bring up memories from the past, and that's not what we're trying to do here. We're trying to calm, and we're trying to feel secure. Now, one very important thing to do is we need to have a way to remember how to secure our place. And so we need a cue word. And it could be anything that's going to remind us, just one word, that's going to remind us of these positive feelings that we had looking around and finding those things in our environment that helped us feel secure. It could be safety. It could be calm. It could be control. Whatever word you want to use to remind yourself, pick that word. I'm going to use secure since that's part of this exercise anyway, but you can create whatever word you want that's going to help you. And I'm going to think about those positive emotions, happy, calm, comfort, while I'm saying secure. 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 And breath. And now we can use this in any environment. And so we can look around our environment. Maybe we're at home, maybe we're at work, maybe we're in the car, and we can find the things in our environment that are helping us connect to those positive emotions. Now we get to practice. So think of something that is a minor upset, something very small, something that you can feel frustrated, mildly upset, maybe a little nervous, but nothing that's too strong. And so thinking about that and thinking about those emotions that are coming up for you, and then using your word to remind you about this exercise. So remember, my word was secure, but your word can be anything else. Tapping it in. Secure. 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 Take a breath. And notice the difference in your emotions that you're experiencing. Notice the difference in your body and in your mind. And if it didn't work the first time, it's okay. Try it again. Sometimes these things take practice. Now we can practice a little bit further by rewriting the past. So think of a time in the past where being able to make your space secure would have been helpful for you. Maybe a time where you were feeling unsure about yourself. Maybe it was at work, maybe it was at home. Maybe it was with friends or family or new people, whatever that may be. And go back, and you can close your eyes if you want to or not, and just use your imagination and think about what making your space secure would have felt like in that moment, how that would have helped you. And you're going to use your cue word. Remember, mine was secure, but yours could be anything. And imagine going back in time and using it in this time. Secure. 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 Take a breath. Good job. We'll practice one more time. Now I want you to imagine something in the future. Maybe it's something to do with the COVID pandemic. Maybe it's being home. Maybe it's having to work from home. Maybe it's having kids home when they really should be at school, but they can't. Or maybe it has nothing to do with COVID. Maybe it's just family. Maybe it's regular responsibilities or triggers. And imagine using the making your space secure in that, using your cue word. Secure. 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 Take a breath. Good work. A couple notes about using this. First, please make sure to keep your tapping slow and short. Again, if we tap for fast or if we tap for long, we're bringing up past memories, and that's not going to help us right now. Also, this is not meant to be in replacement of therapy. This is meant to help you as you're working with a therapist or with a group. And also, sometimes this may work and sometimes it won't. Sometimes we just need to put it away and try it again another time. Thanks so much.